All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verb. So check out. Check out. Yeah, she checked out now and is traveling. Yeah, she checked out of work and is on the road. Yes, to take your name off a list, off a register, and leave and go. Just bye-bye. Yeah. He checked out and just left. When do you want to check out? I'm checking out now. I'm checking out now. Yeah. I will check out of the hotel now. Yeah. Do you think you will check out tomorrow? I might do. Yeah, it depends. I might do. Maybe. Maybe not. Yeah, it depends. Depends. Yeah. Yeah. They will check out tomorrow. Yeah. We need to get ready because they will check out soon. They'll check out soon. We need to get ready. So I checked out last week. She will check out of the hospital soon. They will check out of the school next year. Next year. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. I'm checking out now. I'm on my way as I'm checking out now. It is an easy process. Easy process. Do you think they will check out next week? Now, they might check out. They might check out. It depends on things because we're quite busy. It depends on things. See, we're quite busy. Yeah, so they might check out early, but we can't check out until the work is done. We need to finish before we can check out and leave. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, check out. Yeah, so to take your name off a register and leave. And leave. Yeah, how cool is that? So, can you use check out in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on YouTube when you search my name, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.